Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to use chips to dress up your jewelry designs. So my inspiration behind this chip and pearl bracelet is mermaids. I love mermaids, I love the ocean, so this just kind of reminds me of mermaids. So the tools and supplies you're going to need for this project are pearls, obviously, some chips, you're going to need some head pins, you're going to need some crimps, you're going to need a clasp, a little bit of some extender chain, you're going to need bead stringing wire to string on all of your awesome pearls, you're going to need a crimper, you're going to need a cutter, and then you're going to need a round nose plier to wrap the loops on your beads. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to take your bead stringing wire, and this is going to be a bracelet, so you don't need much. I would cut off about 9 to 10 inches just to be safe. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my bead stringing wire and add a crimp onto it. You just slide the crimp onto your bead stringing wire and then take your clasp and run that bead stringing wire through that little opening, and then take the bead stringing wire and go back through your crimp. And then you're going to slide it all the way up to your clasp. And then you're going to take your crimper, you're just going to come in right on top of that crimp and push down. And then the little tail that you have left over, just cut that off. So now you're ready to start stringing. So I'm going to take these pearls and I'm going to take these head pins. So you need 15 pearls and 15 head pins. And you're going to take that pearl and slide it onto your head pin, and then you're going to take your round nose plier and you're going to put that right up to the pearl, and then you're going to push it over into a 90-degree angle. You're going to rotate your plier, you're going to bring that wire over your round nose plier, and you're going to rotate again and bring that wire underneath and wrap it around. So it looks like this. And then you're going to come over to where your little tail is and cut that off. So you have your pearl wrapped. So you're going to do that 14 more times until you get all these. Magic. And then you're ready to start stringing your bracelet. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a pearl on first, and then you're going to add 3 little chips. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to add another pearl, and then you're going to add 3 of the pearls that you just wire wrapped. Add that down, and then you're going to add another pearl, 3 more chips, a pearl, 3 of the wire wrapped pearls, so you're going to follow the same pattern until you get to the end, and it's a pearl, 3 chips, a pearl, then 3 wire wrapped pearls, and you just keep going and going and going until you get to the end. Okay, I'm adding on my last 3 chips. And then I'll add a pearl, and then we will crimp it. Add the pearl. So now we are about to finish our bracelet. So add your crimp tube to your bead stringing wire, and then your little piece of chain, that's going to be your extender chain so that it can fit most sizes. You're going to take that, put your bead stringing wire through that chain and back through your crimp, and then you're going to pull that all the way down to where your pearl is. And then kind of give it a little tug, and then take your crimper, come in here and crimp, and then you're going to cut off your little tail. And then I like to add a little finishing touch so that it's just not just chain. Okay, so you're going to take your chain link and open it up and slide one little pearl on the end just to give it that finishing touch. Close it back up, and now you have your cute little chip and pearl bracelet. So let's go over the tools you're going to need for this project one more time. Pearls, some chips, you're going to need some head pins, crimps, clasp, a little bit of some extender chain. You're going to need V-stringing wire, you're going to need a crimper, cutter, and then you're going to need a round nose plier to wrap the loops on your beads. If you need any of the supplies that I used today, check out the links below. What are your favorite chips? Mine are jalapeno. Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we'll see you later.